Welcome to another 6-gun recipe. Today I will be doing 6-gun grated lamb chops. For our lamb chops, we will be needing lamb chops, flour, beaten egg, some heita breading, and 6-gun. So I just want to break the egg yolk a bit. So to start off, some lamb chops, lightly flour them, give them a quick dip in some egg. In our heita breading we go. This you can do 2 or 3 layers. It's now ready to go into the well. Our another 6-gun grill lamb chops is ready to be removed. It's a song about a bed of roses. I've got a bed of parsley. Now for the secret ingredient, 6-gun grill. Some parmesan cheese. And another 6-gun grill recipe is done.